Hello from Oldham Volkswagen. Here we have some really well maintained stock today in this approved used Volkswagen Passat Estate SE Business 2.0 TDI BMT at 150 PS in a stylish pure white finish. This fantastic car is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen and does include a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside flexible finance packages available. To get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We'll be more than happy to provide more information. Your tour will offer a 360 walk around alongside a second part segment going through some features and functions. The car comes with the 17-inch London alloy wheels that complement the exterior finish well. And the power folding wing mirrors do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, ensuring we minimise the risk of damaging them in any way. Great for places like shopping centres. The well-maintained interior has the ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, making this a brilliant family car. And due to the long body type of this car, you will also notice there's tons of legroom in the back for rear passengers. The rear paintwork's been kept in brilliant condition, and as we access the boot of the car directly, here you'll see we have a very long boot space. What's great about this is it's perfect if you have those longer items like golf clubs that you want to put inside, and you do have additional storage space underneath there for a spare wheel as well. The car has had 3 owners, but it can be rest assured it's been well maintained during its life cycle. As you can see, the bodywork is super clean. As we access the front of the car directly, we have the multi-function steering wheel offering access to your dashboard display amongst a few other functionalities. We also have that Titan black interior upholstery which work hand in hand to create a really stylish driving experience for you and your passengers to enjoy. So thanks for watching the 360 walk around this approved used Volkswagen Passat. If you'd like to stick around, we will be going inside the car taking a closer look at some of the features and functions. So without further ado, let's take a look inside. As we make our way inside the car, the multi-function steering wheel is leather wrapped, so it offers a comfortable grip for a comfortable driving experience. And to the right hand side we gain access to the automatic headlights, ensuring they run at the correct times, alongside the central locking, wing mirror and window controls on the driver's door handle. As we use the push start button, the car roars into life as all the displays activate, and now we gain access to the dashboard display, allowing us to see key information whilst on the move, including telephone, audio and even our assist functionalities. You can also check if your rear passengers have their belts on, great if you've got small children, and there is just 52,892 miles on the clock there. On the left hand side we can access functionalities like our speed limiter and also our cruise control system, which is the adaptive cruise control to stay at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and also comfort. Over to the infotainment screen, a wide range of options can be hosted, and as we make our way into navigation, this incredibly detailed display will keep you on track to a required destination on the best possible route. It really will fill you with confidence, allowing you to broaden your horizons when it comes to travelling, as you can go to new locations you wouldn't normally go to without this functionality. As we do make our way into our driving mode selection, we have 4 different driving modes to create a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco will be a bit more fuel efficient, Individual allows you to tweak individual settings to get that perfect driving experience, and Sport allows you to have a bit more of a funner experience in my opinion. As we make our way into Park Pilot, we have the front and the back parking sensors to fill ourselves with confidence and safety on every manoeuvre. It ensures that we minimise the risk of damaging our car in any way, and it's great for places like shopping centres where parking is traditionally a bit too tight. Once again, thanks for watching. This has been the stunning approved used Volkswagen Passat Estate, currently available at Oldham Volkswagen, that does include a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty, alongside flexible finance packages available. To get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information on this vehicle.